Hello guys and welcome to today's tech. Today we are going to see the blank screen issue of OBS Studio. So without wasting time, let's get started. I'm using ShareX to record this screen. So I will select display capture, and when I hit enter, the screen is showing me the blank. I'll just remove my two capture displays and I'll just try to add one more capture display. Now again it is showing me blank screen. So what we want to do is just close this OBS Studio, right click anywhere on your desktop and go to display settings. Go to graphics settings and then select classic app. Browse for your OBS Studio that is located in program files and OBS Studio. In that go to pin 64 and here you go. So let's just try to change the options. Okay, so here power saving GPU for Intel graphics and high performance GPU for NVIDIA graphics. So I'll just select power saving for integrated graphics and I'll just close this thing. I'll now go to NVIDIA control panel and then I'll go to manage program settings. I'll just select OBS Studio 64-bit obviously, and then I'll select integrated graphics. I'll select apply. It says an error, but let's just okay, and now it is showing integrated graphics. I'll just close this thing and I'll start OBS. So here error will be eliminated in this way. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.